system, applications, and product in data processing. Okay, so SAP comes under three module basically in the market. And you will have a functional module, basis module, or technical module. So on the technical, we have two types of module. One we can say a pure technical, that is ABAP. And second one called a techno functional, that is BI, BW, BOs, and BW for HANA, you can include it. So these are the tools basically to techno functional. So we are learning basically here the techno functional. So just I'm giving a brief. Like a functionals, there are a list of module available. Like a PP, MM, SD, FICO, HR. These are the functional. And these are comes under ECC system, or we call as SAP system, or latest we have a system that is S4. We call as S4 HANA. Why S4 HANA? Because earlier it was used ECC with Oracle or SQL database, but now it converted into S4 HANA because the database are using HANA. So that's known as a S4 HANA. We will go in depth. It is a complete course if you will go for S4 HANA. So we will not go into depth of S4 HANA. So we are just overviews of this module here. So now the next module is a basis. So basis basically you can say a system related informations. Whatever the system installations part, patch upgradation part, networking part, any user creations, transport related, connectivity related to integrations, multiple applications with the BW HANA. So these all are taken care by the basis peoples. So in the organizations, if anyone or any business has implemented SAP, it required various teams would be there. If it is relevant for basis, so each team have its own work. So individual, as I told you, SAP is a very vast module. And ERP packages. Or you can say it's a very big packages to other than available packages. So it has a basis module, which are basically responsible for troubleshooting or administrative kind of work on basis. Now the techno functional, we are learning techno functional. So techno functional means technical plus functional, both it's required. Now here we have a module BWBO. So we are learning here BW for HANA 2.0. So BW for HANA basically is a data warehouse tool. And it is called as ETL plus reporting. It is both have. But currently business are using a separate tool called BO, business objects, and SSCC. SAP SSC. That is a clause based reporting tools. So why they using? Because the ETL tool, there is a only options. You can design your query, you can create your query, but you can't have a user friendly reporting options like BO and SSC. That's the reason. Now the business is going to implement or going to integrate the BO with your BW for HANA to flexible reports, user friendly reports, or good user interface.